Hi, this video is about how to make money on Facebook and how to get more page likes and fans. It can be very time-consuming and hard to grow your Facebook audience and your business on Facebook without any effective tool for that. Fortunately, you are in the right place. This powerful and easy-to-use tool is called FPTraffic. This is a tool for building, growing, managing and monetizing Facebook pages. If you are interested about this popular tool, click the link below this video. FPTraffic is a must tool for anyone who manages pages on Facebook and who wants to generate affiliate commissions, grow their business and brand, and naturally drive a lot of traffic to a websites and offers. Get started today and make your Facebook pages big and start to make money on Facebook the easy way. Later your pages get a lot of likes and fans. If you are interested about FPTraffic, click the link below this video. Thank you.